So, congratulations on reaching out here the next first days. Very well done. Well, now we're going to go over to the next phase, which is day number 4. And day number 4, I think, is quite interesting for you because now you're going to tell your unique angle on how you have, what are some particular book, a movie, or a TV show that has made a biggest difference in your life or to your business. And if you are reading books, there's many things that you can share about that. For instance, in my case, I have a book that I have been enjoying reading here. It's called Compassion Incorporated by Gaurav Sinha. And that is to unleash the power of empathy in life and business. And it has a lot of value to me, the philosophy of how to do business. It's about the passion, about the positivity, and also reaching out and providing value and help to people. And I think this is when you incorporate that type of thinking into your business model, good things comes out of that. So tell us now, share it in the group. What is your favorite TV show, movie, or book that has made the biggest impact for you? I think it'll be interesting for the group to know. So that's the LIDA day number 4. So see you tomorrow.